Good evening, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle in this additional of today's newspaper on Tuesday, June the 4th, 2024. And in this additional, I've already solved one puzzle, the 3-star Sudoku. So 3 puzzles are left. The binary, jigsaw Sudoku. And this one you are interested. Yeah, this one is a 4 stars Sudoku. 4 stars Sudoku number. This will be number 8654. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this 4 star Sudoku has always 24 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult, but you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers. Then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars puzzle? That's a question. We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 3 ones. We have here 3 twos. We have here 3 threes. 3 fours. 3 fives. 2 sixes. 2 sevens. 1 8 and 3 9. So it's divided. Well. Okay. It's divided. Let me see which number can I pick then. Yeah. 5. How about the numbers? 5 missing numbers in this row. 2 of those missing numbers in this row are the numbers 8 and a 9. We have 8 and a 9 in this big square, so no 8 and a 9 in these 3 boxes. 8 and 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So what are these 3 missing numbers then in this row? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, 2, 3, 7, 2, 3, 7, 2, 3, 7, 2, 3, 7. And look, we have 2 and a 3 in the second column. So no 2 and a 3 in this box. 2 and a 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 3, 2 and a 3. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 2 goes there, so 1 digit left in this row for number 7. Alright. Need a 1 here. Need a 5 here. And I need a 6 there, 3 missing numbers. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 1, 5, 6. 1, 5, 6, 1, 5, 6, 1, 5, 6. And look, we have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. So the 1 and 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 6. 6 in the third column, 6 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left, the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in the third row, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6, 6. The 6 there. Need a 6 here. Alright, and now need a 5 here. 4 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is a 5. We have a 5 in this big square, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. So the 5 in this row could be here, could be there, here or there. We see another 5 in this column, last column, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 5, 5, okay. Need a 7 here. Need a 7 there, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in the last column, no 7 in these 2 boxes. So the 7 could be here, could be there. 7 in this row, 7 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left, the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in the middle column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 3 and then 9. 3, 3. 9, 9. 9. 9 in the first column, 9 in the third column, so the column between the second column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. Well. 1, 5, and then need an 8 here. Well, need an 8 there. 7. 7 in this row. Third row. 7 in the second row from the first row. The only place level 7 should be there. Need a 7 here. Need a 1. Need a 2. 2, 2. 8, 8. Need a 4. Well. 6, 6. Yeah. Thinking. 5, 5. In this row, the third row, we have 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 5. We have a 5 in this big square, so no 5 in these two boxes. So the 5 could be here, or there. We see another 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 in the last column, no 5 there. The only place left for the 5 should be there. Alright. 5, 5. And I need a 2. 2 in this column, 2 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for 2 should be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in the second row. No 2 in these two boxes. We have a 2 in this column. No 2 in those two boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 in this big square. Should be there. And we have a pair now. The 2 and the 6 in the third row. The 2 and the 6 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 2 and the 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 2 numbers left in this first row for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing, 9 is missing, 8 and 9, 8 and 9. The other pair in this big square, other numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. And the 5 is missing, 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Alright. So we have a 4 in this row, 4 in the second row, from the third row. The only place left for 4, a should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have 8 in the first column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 1 goes there. 1 and a 5, we have a 1 now in the first column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 1 box left now in the first column for the number. 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. 2 missing numbers in the third column for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 1 and the 7, 1 and the 7. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. The other pair in this big square are the numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have a 5 in the last row. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and 8 goes there. 5 in the last row, 5 in the row above, so on that row, the only 3 places left for the 5 should be here, or there. We have 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 in that column, no 5 there. Only place left for 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 5. Alright, need a 1 here. How about a 2? 2, 2, 2, no. 2, 2, 2, no. Need a 4 here. Well, need a 9 here. Need a 6 there. What a 1, 1, 1. 1. 1. 2 numbers left in the third row. 4 numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. 1. The 2 is missing. The 2. The 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 3 and 9, 3 and 9. We have a 9 in this column. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 9 in this column, 9 in the column next on the last column. Only 2 places left on the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the middle row, no 9 there, 9 should be there. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with 8 and a 9. We have a 9 now in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, 8 goes there. Alright, one box left now in this row for number the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 3, need a 3 there. Need a 3 here. Need a 9. Nope. Need a 2 here. Yeah. Right. 1 and 8. We have 8 now in this column. No 8 there. 8 should be here. 1 goes there. Need a 1 here. Okay, need a 1 there. In this row, in the last row, we need a 1. Here can be 1, we have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. Here can be 1, we have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. Here can be 1, we have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. And here can be a 1, we have a 1 in the middle column, no 1 there. So the only place left for the 1 in the last row should be there. So 1 box left in this big square for number 7 then. Alright, 7. 2, 2. 1, 1. Well. 4, 4. How about the number? Eight in this column, 8 in the last column, so the column 3. The only 2 places left for 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the last row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Alright, in this middle column, 3 missing numbers. One of the missing number in the middle column is number 8. Here can be an 8, we have 8 in this row, no 8 there. Here can be an 8, we have 8 in this row, no 8 there. So the only place left for the 8 in the middle column should be there. Alright. So 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 4 goes and there. We have a pair. The 4 and the 6 in this column. The 4 and the 6 in that column. So the column 3 in the middle column. The only 2 places left for the 4 and the 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. We have a 6 in the last row. No 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 4 goes in there. 4 in this row. 4 in the last row. So the row between. The only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in the last column. No 4 there. 4 should be there. Then let me see. 2 and the 7. Yeah, 2 missing numbers in this column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5. And the 6 is missing. No, the 6. And the 7 is missing. 2 and the 7, 2 and the 7. We have a 2 in the last row. No 2 there. 2 should be here. 7 goes there. And here I've eliminated the 7, so the 7 goes here. So 1 digit left in this big square for number. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 3 in the last column, 3 in the column next. So that column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in the last row, 3 in that row, so the row between. The only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see. These are number 3. How about the 4s? And all the 4s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 4. Then let me see. 1 box left in this last row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. Nope, we have a 6 here. The 7, the 8, 9 is missing. This should be a 9. Almost made a mistake. 8 and a 9. We have a 9 now in this column. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and 8 goes there. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column, so the column next. Now only 2 places left. 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For the 1 is missing, and the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1 and the 7, 1 and the 7. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 1 goes there. The 1 in this row, the last row, the 1 in the row above. So that row, the only 2 places left, the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 two there. Two missing numbers in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and the 6. 2 and the 6. We have a 6 in this row. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 2 goes there. Same numbers, 2 and a 6. We have a 2 now in the last column. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 6 goes there. Finish in 15 minutes again. 15 minutes. Same time as the previous Sudoku. 2 stars. Yeah. Not the 4, not the 3. I'm pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with other 2 puzzles, the binary and the jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.